Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify. In today's tutorial, I'll show you a quick and easy guide on how to delete your Remitly account using your mobile device. Let's get started. First, launch the Remitly app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, tap on the profile icon or the manage icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. From the account settings, tap on Profile. Within the Profile Settings menu, scroll down to find and tap on Close My Profile or Delete Account. Remitly will prompt you with a confirmation screen. It may ask you to provide a reason for deleting your account. Select your reason from the options provided or type it in if needed. After confirming your reason, tap on Submit or Delete Account to proceed. You may be asked to enter your password or verify your identity for security purposes. Follow the prompts to complete this step. Once completed, you should see a message confirming that your account has been deleted. Check your registered email for any follow-up notifications from Remitly. And that's it. Your Remitly account has been successfully deleted. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick finance tutorials. Thanks for watching Financify, and I'll see you in the next video.